Things to do at Cradle Moon for 50 rands. I personally recommend hiking to be part of your list so that you can come across this beautiful waterfall. It is a great spot to take pictures and adore the breathtaking views. They also have this sandy, beachy kind of an area where you can buy ice cream or drinks and sit by, watch the views. There are a couple of restaurants in this resort, so they do not allow food or drinks. You can try out other activities like swimming, cycling, fishing, paddleboarding, and trail running, all for 50 rand each. There are animals also that are roaming around, and do not try to feed them. Let me know what you think about this resort. Bye for now.